Hey, how's it going? Kelsey here, Mixed Digital Marketing. Just want to leave a quick video in regards to my sales strategies recommending doing to your website, tip when you're hiring Google. So we'll go over three things. The first is content, second are backlinks, third are citations. So content just refers to words on the page. Then your home page, we recommend 1,000 to 1,500 words. And each digital service page, we recommend 500 to 750 words. And this is because within Google's algorithm, it can't really determine how nice a website is. So really all it can rely upon are the words that are written there. And that's why in terms of your homepage being the most important page of your website, we recommend an abundance of words, but not just any words, the right keywords. Let's take a look at your website, see what's going on. So here's your website. Overall, it's really easy to read, nice, easy design. I love that you have a phone number that's clickable, which is really important for mobile. I think another thing you could potentially add is a contact form at the top for the people that are not comfortable calling. They just want to leave their information. Granted, I know you have that on your Contact Us page, but that way it just makes the homepage a little bit stickier where they can just scroll right down, leave in their information, and then leave, and then you give them a call back. But in terms of content, I think you definitely have room to add a little bit more content. You have an okay amount here, but I would add a few more general paragraphs just about your business, what you guys do, where you guys do it, just to make sure that Google totally understands on where to place you in different sections of Google for different searches. And so you may be wondering, well, how do I know what the right keywords are to put on my website? So we use a program called Ahrefs. In this program, we're able to plug in any website in the web, kind of spits out some rankings and feedback for us. Here you can see I plug in your website and it has a rank in the millions, which is totally fine. I'm talking about billions of websites. We really care about our everything to the right. Here's the UR ratings, the rating of both your on-site and your off-site SEO. It's a ranking of 0 to 100. So here you can see 4 is on the relatively low end. And your DR rating is a sensor domain rating and is strictly a rating of your off-site SEO. So off-site SEO is driven by what we call backlinks, or more importantly, referring domains. So backlinks are that hyperlink that you find on blog posts or articles that when you click on it, it leads to a different website. So Google loves this within the algorithm because now it's like another website is referring you. It's sort of like one big popularity contest, and the more popular you're seen in Google's eyes, the higher you appear in Google. And so, like I mentioned, what we really care about are referring domains. It's just a fancy phrase for websites. So within one website, you can have 100 backlinks, but really you only get power from that website once. So it's very important to get as many websites with backlinks as possible. Now, a step further than that, what we really care about are what we call do follow referring domains. And so not every website has to lend you power. We want to find ones that do. And so here you have 2, but as you get more of these and the stronger their websites are, they'll lend you more power. And then you'll start getting higher numbers here. And when that happens, you rank for more organic keywords, get more traffic value. So I typed in auto repair Midland, and here usually there's a Google ad section at the very top of Google. People paying premium and be on top, but that only gets about 20% of the volume. That leaves 80% for the rest of the field. 40% typically comes from the map pack section, and 40% comes from the organic search rating. The number one thing that typically affects being in the top 3 of the map pack at any given time is going to be your organic search rating. So you can see here, these are 2 listing websites, and then we have Lars Automotive, Lone Star Auto, and actually this is Christian Brothers. And so you can see here, they're also here at the very top. So top 3 consistently anywhere in Midland for auto repair. And so the second thing though that affects it are going to be what we call citations. So citations are online directories like Yellow Pages, or even your Yelp and Facebook page where your business name, address, and phone number listed exactly as you have it set up in Google My Business. And it's very important that they match exactly the same, or so you get proper credit from Google. And so we use a different software that allows us to see how many citations your competition has, and we make sure we get at least double those, because citations are all over the web. They're really easy to get. It just takes a little bit of time. And the third thing, though, that's going to affect you being in Google are going to be your reviews, because everyone loves reading the reviews before they go to a shop. And so the best way that we've seen to get a high number of reviews as well as a good 5-star review are through text message marketing. And so here you have customers opt in, that way you can give them updates on their car, along with when the service is complete, you send them a link straight to your Google review section, and that leaves a much higher likelihood that they'll leave you a good 5-star review. But let's take a look at Lone Star Auto and see what they got going on their website. So here you see Lone Star Auto, clickable phone number, time of day, very, again, simple website, no really different than yours. They do have a fair amount of content and links to different pages. Here I know they do offer more services as a wide range, but they do also offer radiator replacement. And so by appearing for a general term like auto repair, they have that chance to capture the radiator replacement section, people that don't know that that's what they should type in Google, if that makes sense. And so that way they're not able to quite find you for doing auto repair, even though that is a service that you do take. Let's take a look at Ahrefs and see what their numbers look like. I've looked on their website, and here you can see their ranking is a little bit lower than yours. Yours at 24, and their DR is only at 2.4. But with that, they're ranking for a lot more keywords, getting more traffic and traffic value just based on the work that they've done in terms of this. But with this being the top ranking one of the top ranking ones in Google for the search, it just shows that another competitor can easily leap them and take over the area. So those are some SEO recommendations. I hope you do through your website. If you want to learn more about what we can do, visit www.mixdigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.